Welcome back to Grandad's Shed for part 2 of the perfect fitting roller blinds. Hopefully we can improve upon the current imperfection. Can't exactly remember the wrap up of the first video, but got 2 of the blinds installed, which is fine, and the third blind seems to have been a mix up with the order number. Arrived in the post today, it's a new box. So we'll unwrap that and hopefully that's a remake of the one there. Should have some new sides to pop on. Two new sides. Looks like we're going to be in business. That's the one that's too small. Just going to pop off the ends or the sides, depending how you look at life. Drop in the new ones and then we'll try it for size. Yeah, that's it. Let's pop it in the window frame. Much better. I'm going to snap in the metalwork around the rubber. In order to make sure you get the metal pieces in the right place, it's useful just to put a little pencil mark through. So there's the little pencil marks, that's where we need to aim for the metals to be. With the metal tabs in place, we should be able to just snap in the frame now. One, 2, 3, 4. One perfect fit roller blind installed. Now we need to make it fit perfectly, because I shall just try and demonstrate here. As I open this, the window latch catches on the newly installed perfectly fitting blind. And if you do that enough, it takes the paint off just where it catches. So what we need to do is make a little modification to the handle. So I'm just going to open that to there. So we scratched it already. A little mark on where we need to take that off to. So we just need to file a little bit off where that pencil mark is. Take off that section. And then we'll be sorted. Next step, how to remove a handle. There are 2 screws that hold a UPVC window on, and the top one is capped with a decorative piece of covering, and the bottom one you can see that you've got straight access to. So with a suitably pointy stick of some description, you can just get in into the corner and lift it out. Just like that. Now I've got access to both the screws. So we can see the piece that needs to be taken off. So we have to hold that out of the way and do some filing. In order to hold the button in, using the key to press the whole thing together, and a bit of string that keeps the tab out of the way. So we shall be able to mount that here in the workmate. And then we need to stop the filings getting in. Pop a little bit of tape over there, just like that. Both of us are going to need to see how this works. Then you find your favourite small file, line up where you want to take it. So, are you a dragger or a pusher? My handle's just come off the file. Okay, so you can see there I've just taken a couple of millimeters off that, so we can now free this off and go and reinstall it back into the window. With the offending piece removed from the handle, we can now go about reinstalling the handle onto the window frame. So we can line up the square peg, making sure the orientation is the same as it was before. And then you just have to find a thread in there to get it started. And then before you go too far, get the second one lined up as well, where you've still got some movement. I think we're good there. And now we have clearance between the handle and the newly installed perfect fit blind. The tab back, that's just held in with double-sided sticky tape. That's how you make a perfect fit roller blind fit perfectly. There's number 2 done. Thanks for watching.